Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Honda Smart Key FOB, so check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Honda Smart Key FOB. It's super easy to do and it'll save you some money over taking into the dealership. So let's get right into it. So there's a couple different things that you'll need to do this battery changeover, and the first thing you'll need is a battery. You need one battery. These are a 2032. I picked them up here in town. You can also pick them up on Amazon. I do have some in the description below, and there's lots of different brands that you can choose from. The second thing that comes in handy is a flathead screwdriver to just help pop the battery out of its holder inside the fob. So go ahead and grab your key fob and flip it over, and you're going to notice there is a switch on the back. When you push that switch up, it's going to release a key that can be used in the driver's side door if your battery ever runs out. But you'll notice there is a notch here, and what I like to do is take that key and push it into the notch and then rotate the key, and the whole fob should just pop right open. You can pull it apart, and this will expose the battery. You can see it's a 2032 with the plus side up. Grab that flathead screwdriver and put it right under the edge of the battery here, and you can pry the battery right out. It should pop out very easily. Then go ahead and open up the new batteries. Again, if you are looking, you can buy them on Amazon. I do have some affiliate links down below in the description. And grab that, make sure that positive side is up, and you're going to want to put the battery in at a bit of an angle. Slide it in and then push it down, and it should pop right into place. When you go to put the back cover on, make sure it's lined up really well. There are a couple of notches here that you want to make sure fit right in. I usually put those down first and lay the back housing over top. Make sure it's lined up really well, and then I'll give it a pop at the one end where those notches are, and then again at the other end, and it should pop back into place. From there you can grab your key and slide it right in the slot, and you are all done. It's that simple to change the battery in your Honda Smart Key FOB. So I hope this video helped you out in changing the battery in your Honda Smart Key FOB. If it did, remember to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Everyday, because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching, and take care.